Welcome to this channel. So in this video I will be showing you how to connect Python to Power BI. So actually by using the Power BI desktop we can clean the data by applying different options in Power BI, and after that we will be writing DAX code for some functionalities. Actually these things can be alternatively done by using the Python script. So the Python script we connect in Power BI is to clean the data and visualize finally. So this is the entire thing. So I have shown you in the zoom option of that visual here. So I will be showing you how to connect to Python in the Power BI desktop and what visual we are going to utilize in order to visualize the data, and how to utilize the Python script window to clean the data. So these things I am going to show you in the video, and from now we will be having all the videos regarding the Power BI using the Python script and what are the requirements here. So before we go into the video on the topic, so please watch the end-to-end real-time projects playlist which were available in our channel, MSBI, Power BI, data science and other softwares also, and workouts also were there. So you can watch those playlists in this channel, and kindly subscribe to this channel and like it and share to your friends. And you can comment below if you have any doubts, and you can call me through Call Me 4 app and join in the Telegram channel of Software Courses Work Support, whose link was given in the description. And what we need to do initially if we want to work with the Power BI using Python. So the first thing is we need to connect the Python to Power BI. So why we need to connect to Power BI with Python? Because first thing is we need to load the data without using Python. So we can load the data by using different options by going into the get data. So Excel, workbook, CSV files, etc. we have seen there, but we need to use only Python script, that is by connecting the Python to Power BI. For that one, the same thing we will be doing, that is we will be going into the get data option and we need to click on the more option. And once we click on the more option, so number of options will be there, that is get data, and from that you need to go to the other option, or you can search here also Python script. So here you will be having R script, Python script. If you are using R programming, you will be connecting the R script. If you are using Python script, we will be clicking on the Python script. So as we are using the Python script, so click on the Python script and click on the connect option, that is initially to load the data. So this window will be shown. So here we need to write some Python script in order to load the data. So here what we need to have is that initially if you want to load the data, we need to have installed pandas library. So after that we need to import the pandas library, import pandas as PD, and after that we need to write the Python script to load the file, that is as I am using the CSV file to load to the Power BI desktop using the Python script. So the code will be this one. So that is df is equal to PD. PD means pandas, I am calling it as, importing it as PD. So PD dot, as it is a CSV file, read underscore CSV, and this is the path location I have copied and pasted here. So in that location only you need to paste it, but here you, as it is a raw file, you need to use small r here. Okay, and I am assigning this entire path to df. So once I click on OK, so it will be connecting. So see that a CSV file has been loaded. So if we check this one box, so preview will be available for the entire data. So these are the rows and columns we will be having in the selected file of CSV by using the Python script. So if you want to transform directly and load, you can transform data. If you want to load directly, you can click on the load, but as of now I am not using. I am going to cancel because as I have already loaded. So once we click on load, so the df file will be loaded here. So after that, what we need to do is that if you want to work with the Python script in Power BI, so this window should be enabled. So in order to enable this one, so we need to have a visual. So that visual is nothing but a Python visual. So what I am going to do is that I am going to take a new page here by clicking on plus sign below. A new page has been added, and we need to select a Python visual by going into the Python visual which is shown here. So once I click on that one, so it will be displaying the Python visual, and whatever may be the type of visual by using the Seaborn or Matplotlib, so we can display that visual by using this Python visual. So once we click on below, so you will be having Python script editor, but here what it is showing, drag fields into the values area in the visualization plane to start scripting, it is showing. So that means it will not be enabled until we drag field into the Python visual. So that is here in these values we need to do. So from the loaded data I am going to select the branch, so it has been added now, and after that I am going to select the gender, so that also has been added. So now you can see that Python script editor has been enabled. Here we need to write the code below. So this is how you work with the Python scripting in Power BI. So what you need to do, so here what you need to do is that you will be loading the data, you will be importing a Matplotlib, you will be importing the Seaborn, and you will be importing the pandas, and you will be loading the file if you have not transformed the data which you have been initially loaded by using the Python script. So these are the essential things that should be required in Python scripting using Power BI, that is Matplotlib, etc., Seaborn and Panda. So I will be showing you the previous one, that is what I have worked on. So those visuals I will be showing you. So see here, so I will be going to this page 4. So in the page 4, so these are the visuals. So for example, I want to show you the visual of this one. So I will be going into the focus mode. If I click on focus mode, so it will be zoomed. So now if I click below, for every visual you will be shown with the Python script editor. So this is the thing. So import Matplotlib, as PLT, and after that import Seaborn as SNS, import pandas as PD. So same thing code I have written here. From here we need to write each and every code. So if you want to do some group by options, etc., so this entire thing is called EDA. So we need to write these things and we need to visualize the data. So this is the use of Python script in Power BI. Thank you so much. Kindly subscribe to this channel, like it, share it.